This Dutch baby pancake will ruin all other pancakes for you. I'm not exaggerating. This thing is golden, dramatic, custardy, crispy edge perfection, and yes, it's obnoxiously delicious. In a blender, add 1 cup of milk, a quarter cup of sugar, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, optional but irresistible. Add 4 eggs. Half tablespoon of salt. Blend until completely smooth. Crank your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Slide your cast iron pan inside while it heats. Hot pan equals drama. Do you want drama? Of course you do. Drop in 2 tablespoons of butter. Watch it sizzle, foam, and perfume the air. Is your kitchen already smelling insane? Mine is. Immediately pour the batter into the hot butter. Hear that sound? That's success. Don't stir. Don't touch. Just admire the beauty. This pourable batter is the secret. Are you seeing this texture? Back into the oven it goes for 25 to 30 minutes. No peeking. No fear. It will inflate, puff, climb the sides, and turn gloriously golden like a masterpiece being born. Pull it out. It will deflate slightly. That's normal and sexy. Crispy edges. Custardy center. Tell me, how is something this easy this good? Scatter fresh berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Let them tumble into the custardy center. Watch the juices start to bleed. That color? Unreal. Dollop whipped cream right in the middle. Not neat. Not perfect. Soft, cloud-like, melting on contact. Are you drooling yet? Then, the final move. Powdered sugar. A generous snowfall. Like edible silk. Like magic. Crispy edges. Soft, eggy, buttery center. Sweet, tart, creamy, and light. Did you save this? Did you share it? Did you subscribe? Because this is beauty you eat. Did it puff for you? Did your family lose their minds? Save this. Share this. Subscribe for more food that makes people emotional. Take a bite. Close your eyes. Pure deliciousness.